So the advantages of laser illumination are fourfold. You have simplicity, lower TCO, higher reliability, and a better image quality. Examples of more simplicity are the laser illumination with a laser source. You don't need to replace any lamps, you don't need to replace any filters, so you have no maintenance. Another example of more simplicity is whenever you push the button of the projector, your projector starts up, and in a few seconds you have your image on the screen. You don't need to wait until the lamp is warmed up. And thirdly, with laser sources, you have the freedom to install your projector in any orientation you want. With light bulbs, you are limited to certain orientations. A second advantage of laser sources is the high reliability. So the laser source displays an image whenever you want it. You don't need to replace lamps. The brightness remains more constant over time, so you don't have a brightness decay and then you have to replace your lamp and then again you have more brightness. You have your brightness at all times. So laser projectors, they also have the advantage of redundancy. If one laser diode fails, you still have an image, while with lamps, if the lamp explodes, you don't have any image anymore on the screen. And the advantage you had with simplicity of starting up the projector, don't need to wait for cool down, it also has an impact on the reliability, because at that moment you don't harm your laser source by starting up, shutting down your projector multiple times. Another advantage is the lower TCO. Due to efficient design of the projector and the efficiency of the laser itself, your electricity consumption is lower than with lamps. And last, you have also a better image quality. So with lamps you already have nice colors on your screen, but with laser sources you have the possibility to increase your color gamut on the screen. There are also disadvantages when using a laser source. The first one is the cost. The cost is for the moment still quite high. The investment for the customer is bigger than when he would buy a lamp-based projector, but the technology makes it possible that in the future the price will go down, and when volumes step up, also the price will go down of laser sources. A second disadvantage of laser technology is that they tend to be bulkier and heavier than lamp-based projectors. But the manufacturers and suppliers of laser sources, manufacturers of projectors, are working very hard to reduce the size and weight of the projectors. A third disadvantage is the safety aspect. Laser light is a collimated light source, and if you look directly into the laser beam, it can be harmful for your eyes. But of course, in a projector, we don't look directly into the laser beam, and the projector manufacturers are taking many safety precautions to make sure that it is absolutely safe in using laser projectors. We started investing in laser technology because we want to continuously improving the experience for our customers. For instance, in digital cinema, there was a need for bigger screens, more brightness in 3D, a better contrast, better colors, and laser technology could provide this. Secondly, we also want to reduce cost for our customers. When you use a laser source, you don't need to replace lamps due to the long lifetime of that laser source. And also, due to the efficient design, the electricity costs go down. And thirdly, we want to improve the ease of use for our customers. With laser sources, you don't have any lamp hassle anymore, you don't need to in-source lamps. That's why we invested in laser technology. So we see that currently lamps are still dominant in the market. We also see that we and also other suppliers are investing in laser phosphor technology, and these products are coming up. The cost for laser phosphor projectors is still higher than for lamps. So according to your needs, you can see whether you choose a lamp-based projector or laser phosphor-based projector. In the recent past, Barco invested a lot in laser technology, And in the future we are planning to continue that investment. We developed for the digital cinema market a direct laser source, and now we are developing a laser phosphor source. The lower cost of the laser phosphor source makes it suited for all our other markets. So all our customers can benefit from the advantages of laser illumination.